Hello my shining stars. So today we are doing class 4 Learn and Solve Maths by Children Voice Publications. So let's start. Chapter 6 Multiples and Factors. Multiples. When we multiply two numbers, the product obtained is called the multiple of each number. Look at these tables, like 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Similarly, टेबल ऑफ 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. ऐसे ही 4 का टेबल है. सो 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 these are multiples of 2. 3, 6, 9, 12 these are multiples of 3. 4, 8, 12, 16 these are multiples of 4. So therefore a multiple of a number can be obtained by multiplying the number with any number. So multiple of a number is the number multiplied by any counting number. So now see properties of multiples. The first one, every number is a multiple of 1. See, a multiplied by 1 you will get a only. So 12 multiplied by 1 that is 12. 23 multiplied by 1 that is 23. The second one, the first and the smallest multiple of any number is the number itself. सबसे छोटा multiple कौन सा होगा किसी number का? The same number. Okay, like 8 ones are 8, 14 ones are 14. Now multiples of any number are infinite. That is, there is no limit to the number of multiples. हम किसी number के multiples uncountable, infinite फाइंड कर सकते हैं. देयर इज नो लिमिट. नाउ 0 इज द मल्टीपल ऑफ एवरी नंबर. तो 0 है वो हर एक नंबर का मल्टीपल है, बिकॉज लाइक 28 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0 यू विल गेट 0 ओनली. ओके, नाउ व्हेन द मल्टीपल ऑफ अ नंबर इज डिवाइडेड बाय द नंबर्स इट लीव्स no remainder. Okay, like 6 is the multiple of 3. So 6 को अगर हम 3 से divide करेंगे, remainder is 0. Okay, 72 divided by 8, this is 9. In multiplication sums, product is the multiple of the multiplicand and the multiplier. So here this is the product, 52 into 4. So 208 is the multiple of 52 as well as of 4. Okay, now in division sums, if the remainder is 0, then dividend is the multiple of the quotient and divisor. Like 18 को हमने 6 से divide किया, remainder is 0. It means 18 is the multiple of 6 and 18 is the multiple of 3. Okay, now the next multiples of 10, 100 and 1000. Multiple of 10 have at least 1 0 at the end. Multiple of 100 have at least 2 zeros at the end, and multiple of 1000 have at least 3 zeros at the end. See multiples of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 100 के 200, 300, 400, 500 and 1000 के 1000, 2000, 3000 like this. Now finding multiples. To find the multiples of number multiplied by 1, 2, 3 and so on. See, find the first 5 multiples of 8. तो first 5 number से multiply कर देंगे 8 को. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40. So these are the 5 multiples of 8. Okay, now the next is एग्जाम्पल 2 इज 36 अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 5. क्या 36 5 का मल्टीपल है? तो 36 को हम 5 से डिवाइड करेंगे. सो वी आर गेटिंग 1 एज द रिमाइंडर. इट मीन्स 36 इज नॉट द मल्टीपल ऑफ 5. ओके, बिकॉज 5 डज नॉट डिवाइड 36 exactly, right? Now example 3, find the first 5 odd multiples of 7. So write the table of 7. हमें odd multiples find करने हैं. So 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21, 7 fives are 35, 7 sevens are 49 and 7 nines are 63. These are the odd multiples of 7. Now multiply the number by odd numbers. अगर आपको odd multiples चाहिए तो आपने odd number से multiply किया, you will get the odd multiples. Okay, now assessment 1, the question number 1, write the first 5 multiples of the numbers given below. कुछ numbers हैं, इनके हमें 5 multiples लिखने हैं. First 5, तो 17 ones are 17, 17 twos are 34, 17 threes are 51, 17 fours are 68, 17 fives are 85. Similarly, you can try the 15th one. The second, filling the blanks, A part, the multiples of 9 less than 90 are. तो 9 के मल्टीपल्स जो 90 से कम हैं कितने होंगे? 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, means still 81. So how many? 9 multiples. Okay. The multiples of 30 between 40 and 80 are 30 के multiples 30, 60, 90, 120, but we want between 40 and 80, so only one, that is 30. Okay, right? So you just write the multiples of 30 between 40 and 80, that is 60, right? Okay. Now third, check and write the answer as yes or no. B part, 225 is a multiple of 3. So 225 को हम 3 से divide कर देंगे. So we are getting remainder 0. So yes. Okay. The fourth one, find the following like multiples of 7 less than 70. So write the multiples of 7 less than 70. 7 का table. 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 42, 49, then 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63 and 7 10s are 70, so till 63. Okay, now the next we are talking about common multiples and least common multiple. Common multiples, multiples that are common to 2 or more numbers are called common multiples. Let us consider two numbers 8 and 12. Write the multiples of 8, write the multiples of 12. So now just find the common. So see here 24, 48, 72. So common multiples of 8 and 12 are 24, 48, 72. It means table of 24. तो यहाँ पर क्या आएगा 96, 120 like this. Okay. Now we are talking about least common multiple, LCM. The smallest number among the common multiples of the given numbers is called the LCM. Like we are getting the common multiples of 8 and 12, 24, 48, 72. तो इन सब में छोटा मल्टीपल कौन सा है? सबसे छोटा 24. So 24 is the LCM, least common multiple. Now example, find out the LCM of 2 and 8. So write the multiples of 2, write the multiples of 8. Now find out the common multiples. 8, 16, 24. You can see table of 8 here. Now LCM is 8, smallest common multiple. Okay. Now assessment 2. Question number 1, write the first 6 common multiples of 6, and B part, write the first 7 common multiples of 9 and 15, then find their LCM. So you can try these one. The second, circle the common multiples of 3, 6 and 20 and then find the LCM. So we have multiples of 3, multiples of 6 and multiples of 20. So just find the common multiples. So see what is common multiple among these. So here you can see 60 is the common multiple of 3, 6 and 20. The next would be, so the smallest is 60, the next would be 120, then 180, 240 like this. So what is the LCM? LCM is 60. Okay. Now similarly you can try third question. Now we are talking about factors. When two numbers are multiplied with each other, each of the numbers is a factor of the product. Like 8 5s are 40. So 8 is the factor of 40 and 5 is the factor of 40. 8 is dividing 40 exactly. 5 divides 40 exactly. So 40 divided by 8 is 5 and 40 divided by 5 is 8. So hence a number which divides another number completely without leaving a remainder is called the factor of the given number. In other words, a factor is the exact divisor of a number. Now we have some properties of factors. The first, 1 is a factor of every number because 1 divides each number. So 1 is the factor of every number. The second, factor of a number are finite. जो factors हैं किसी number के वो countable हैं, finite हैं. So we can count the number of factors like factors of 35, 1, 5, 7, 35, right? Now the smallest factor of any number is 1, okay? And the greatest factor of any number is the number itself. किसी number का greatest factor क्या होगा? वही number, like factors of 5, 1 and 5. So 1 is the smallest factor and 5 is the greatest factor. The next, when number is divided by its factor, the remainder is 0. Okay, अगर कोई number किसी number का factor है, it means remainder would be 0. Like 24 divided by 2, remainder is 0. Answer is 12. Okay, in a division sum, if the remainder is 0, the factors of the dividend are the divisor and the quotient. Dividend बन जाता है multiple और divisor और quotient क्या बन जाएंगे? Factors of the dividend. Now finding factors using multiplication. Example 1. Find the factors of 50. So you know 150s are, then 2 के table में 2 into 25, then 5 tens are. So factors are 1, 2, 5, 10, 25 and 50. The second is example 2. Find the factor of 24. 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 into 8, 4 into 6, right? These factors, okay? The next, using division. Example 1, find the factor of 16. 16 को हम 2 से divide करेंगे, 2 8s are 16, okay? Then 16 is also divisible by 4, 4 4s are 16 is divisible by 16 itself. So here factors are 1, 4, 8, 2 and 16. Okay, now example 2, find out if 4 is a factor of 64. तो हम क्या करेंगे? 64 को 4 से divide कर देंगे. If the remainder is 0, yes, it is a factor. अगर remainder 0 नहीं होगा, it is not the factor. तो 64 को हमने 4 से divide किया, we are getting 16 as quotient and 0 is remainder. It means 64 is exactly divisible by 4. So 4 is the factor of 64. So remember, when number is divisible by another number exactly, means without leaving any remainder, the divisor is said to be a factor of the dividend. Now assessment 3. Question number 1. Find the factors using multiplication method. Like here, see part 45. So 1 into 45. 45 is not divisible by 2. It is divisible by 3. 3 into 15, 45. It is not by 4. It is divisible by 5. 5 9s are. Not by 6, not by 7, not by 8. 9 से है, we are getting like this. So factors are 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. Okay. Similarly, you can try rest parts, right? Now the third question, the numbers in columns A, B and C are the factors of the numbers in column B. So match and color the circles in the same color. So here we have to find out like A के जो numbers हैं और C के जो numbers हैं, B के किस किस number के factors हैं. So like 66. So 2 is the factor of 66. 3 is the factor of 66. 5 is not. 11 is the factor of 66. Okay. ऐसे हम find करेंगे for column C. So very interesting. Now the fourth one, check if the first number is a factor of the second number. Tick if yes or cross out if not. Like A part, 40 is a factor of 5. 40 is the multiple of 5. 40 is not the factor of 5. Because a smaller number divides a bigger number. 5 is the factor of 40. Okay. ऐसे 315 is a factor of 15. No. This is also wrong. Now building factor trees. There is another very interesting way to find the factors of a number. For this we draw tree diagrams. called factor tree. Like here 28, 28 you know 2 into 14. So एक circle में 2 and एक circle में 14, right? Now we can do like this also. 28 है 2 into 14. Now we can break 2 को तो हम break नहीं कर सकते. We can break 14. 7 into 2. So this becomes a factor tree, right? So here this is a factor tree. 14 and 2 are the factors of 28. Now 14 can further be broken into 7 and 2. So now 2 and 7 cannot be broken further. So factors of 28, 2, 7 and 14. So our factor tree is complete. Now we can make different type of factor trees. Like here, observe the factor trees for 36. So here 36, 6 into 6. 6 को फिर break कर देंगे 2 into 3, 2 into 3. So how we can write 36? 2 into 3 into 3 into 2, right? So there are so many ways to do this. We can write 36 as 3 into 6 into 2, okay? And like this also. Now common factor and highest common factor. अब हम find करेंगे first common factor. The numbers which are common among the factors of 2 or more numbers are called common factors. Like example, find the common factors of 6 and 15. To find the common factor, first find the factors of 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. Now find the factors of 15, 1, 3, 5 and 15. Now common factor 1 and 3. Okay, now we are talking about highest common factor. So the greatest number among the common factors of the given numbers is called HCF. So in the above example, 2 and 3 are the common factors. Sorry, 1 and 3 are the common factors. So 3 is the greatest one. So HCF is 3. Okay. Assessment 4, question number 1. Find the common factors among the given pairs. Like C part, 36 and 48. So write the factors of 36. Make the factors of 36. So 1 into 36. 2 18s are. 3 12s are. 4 से भी divisible है. 4 9s are. 6 6 are. Okay, so we are getting 1 2 3 4 6 9 12 18 and 36. Now find the factors of 48. 48 1 into 48, 2 into 24, 3 into 16, 4 से भी है, 4 12s are, 5 से नहीं है, 6 8s are. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 16 24 and 48. So find the common factors. 1 2 3 4. 6 is also common. Okay, and 12 is common. Now, so common factors 1 2 3 4 6 12. So what is highest? Highest common factor HCF is 12. HCF is 12. Similarly, you can try these parts. Okay. Now, rules of divisibility. There are certain rules that help us to know whether a given number is divisible by a number or not. So in this class, we shall learn the rules of divisibility by 2, 3, 5, 9 and 10. So first, how we can check a number is divisible by 2 or not? See the last digit, one's digit. If the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, the number is divisible by 2. Because आप देखो 2 के टेबल में last digit 0, 2, 4, 6 और 8 आता है. Okay, so these are the numbers which are divisible by 2. The second, how we can check by 5. So 5 से check करने के लिए the last digit should be 0 or 5. So number is divisible by 5 if the last digit, if the digit at the ones place is either 0 or 5. Now a number is divisible by 10 if the last digit is 0. If the ones digit is 0, number is divisible by 10. Now a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is a multiple of 3. यानी अगर sum of digits divisible by 3 है, then the number is divisible by 3. Like 36, 3 plus 6 is 9 and 9 is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 3. 45, 4 plus 5 is 9. This number is divisible by 3. Now a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 9. इसमें भी हम सेम करेंगे, sum of digits लेंगे. अगर वो 9 से divisible है तो number जो है 9 से divisible होगा. See example 1. Which smallest number when added to this number gives a number that is divisible by 3? So now what to do? Add the digits 6 plus 2 8 plus 7 15 plus 3 18. So next sum that is divisible by 3 is 21. तो हमें क्या करना है, इसमें 3 ऐड करना है. ओके, सो आंसर इज 3. वैसे हम इसमें 0 भी ले सकते हैं बिकॉज 18 इज ऑलरेडी divisible by 3. So we can take smallest digit 0 also. Example 2. Which smallest number when subtracted from 653 gives a number that is divisible by 5? Also, which smallest number when added to 653 gives a number that is divisible by 5? अब 653 is not divisible by 5. लास्ट में 0 या फिर 5 होना चाहिए. तो अब इसमें हम क्या माइनस करें? तो अगर हम इसमें से 3 को माइनस कर देंगे we will get 650. ओके, एंड अगर हम इसमें 2 ऐड कर देंगे we will get 655. सो 3 को माइनस करना है and 2 को add करना है. So that is the answer. Now assessment 5, question number 1. Find the smallest 4-digit number divisible by 2 as well as 3. So you can try these question. Very simple. Now the next we are talking about prime and composite numbers. Very interesting. Observe this table. We have number and their factors. So 1, its factor is 1 only. 2 के factors 1 and 2. 3 के factors 1 and 3. 4 के factors 1, 2 and 4. 5 के factors 1 and 5. ऐसे ही हम सब numbers के factors निकाल रहे हैं. So you can see from this table we conclude that the numbers like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 इन सबके एग्जैक्टली 2 फैक्टर्स हैं, 1 and itself. So such type of numbers are prime numbers. These are not divisible by any other number. So जो बाकी के numbers हैं, the other numbers except 1 has more than 2 factors. So such numbers are called composite numbers. Okay. So here 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, these all are composite number. So number 1 has only one factor, that is itself. So 1 को हम ना तो composite लेंगे और ना ही prime. So 1 is neither prime nor composite. It is called a unique number. So now remember, 2 is the smallest and the only even prime number. All other prime numbers are odd. And composite numbers have 3 or more factors. So now finding prime and composite numbers. So determining prime and composite numbers from 1 to 100. So a Greek mathematician, Eratosthenes, introduced a simple method for finding the prime and composite numbers. This method is popularly known as the sieve of Eratosthenes. So in this method, a table of counting numbers from 1 to 100 is prepared. तो हम क्या करेंगे, 1 to 100 numbers को हम लिख देंगे यहाँ पर, right? Then first we put a square over 1 as it is not a prime number, not a composite number. So we then encircle 2, फिर हम circle करेंगे 2 पर and then cross out every other multiples of 2 और 2 के multiples को cut कर देंगे like 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, right? The next step we encircle the next uncrossed number 3 को लेंगे and then cross out every other multiple of 3. 3 के multiples को cross out कर देंगे. So there is one note, we need not cross the already crossed number again. जो already crossed है उन्हें cross करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Now what to do? We encircle the next uncrossed number, that is 5. Then multiples of 5 उन्हें हम क्रॉस आउट कर देंगे. दिस प्रोसेस इज कंटिन्यूड टिल एवरी नंबर इज ईदर एनसर्कल्ड और क्रॉस्ड आउट. सो इन दिस टेबल ऑल एनसर्कल्ड नंबर्स आर प्राइम एंड जो नंबर कट हुए हैं दोज आर कंपोजिट एक्सेप्ट 1. सो thus the prime numbers from 1 to 100 we can write. So there are total 25 prime numbers from 1 to 100. So this is the table, very important. Okay, so assessment 6, question number 1, write all the prime numbers between like 30 and 60. You can write. The second one, which of the following numbers are composite? आप कर सकते हैं ऐसे. You can try these question. We have some MCQ, think smarter and critical thinking and experimental learning and one math lab activity and aptitude reasoning. So I hope the concept is very much clear to you. Thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us for more videos. Stay happy, stay blessed.